Hello, welcome to the first lecture of CSCE 611, Advanced Digital Design. I am Jason Bakos, your instructor. Normally, I will record lectures in class as I deliver them, but today I'm doing a dry run to test out my software. In this lecture, I will cover the course syllabus, which I'll hand out during class and is also available for download as a PDF on the course Moodle website, which I'll cover a bit later. The syllabus begins with the meeting times and locations, which are Mondays and Wednesdays at 3:55 to 5:10 in 300 Main Street. That's the building across the street from Swearingen, in room B103. It's Bravo 103. I'll use our departmental Moodle site to distribute course material, announcements, lecture slides, grades, and also to administer online quizzes. You can access the site at dropbox.csc.sc.edu, and after you go there, you'll need to log in with your university login credentials. If you have any problems logging in, please contact our departmental IT director, Ryan Austin, at his email address rmaustin@csc.sc.edu. That's rmaustin@csc.sc.edu. The course textbook is Digital Design and Computer Architecture, 2nd edition by Harris & Harris. And unlike in previous semesters, this textbook is required. Previously, it was optional, but it is required this semester. The prerequisite for this course is CSCE 212, Computer Architecture. If you haven't taken this prerequisite course, please contact me. For planning purposes, our last lecture is December 5th, and the final exam is 9 days later on December 14th at 4:00 p.m. We won't meet for class on September 3rd due to the Labor Day holiday, as well as November 21st for Thanksgiving. Additionally, I need to cancel class on November 12th and 14th to attend an academic conference, the supercomputing conference. I'll notify you as early as I can if there will be any additional course cancellations. My email address is jbakos@csc.sc.edu, and my office is in the M. Burt Story Engineering and Innovation Center, also known as Horizon 2 or Innova, and it's in room 2213. My office number for anyone who actually uses a phone is 777-8627, and my office hours are by appointment only. We have 2 teaching assistants, Charles Daniels and Rasha Karachi. Charles's email is cad3 Rasha's email address is karachi@email.sc.edu. Both of these TAs have an office in the same building as mine, the Story Innovation Center, but in room 2236. 2236, that's my research lab. The grading structure of this course will be comprised of 2 components. We will have 10 to 12 weekly quizzes that will be administered via the Moodle website, so you'll take them electronically, either in the labs or on your own computer. The quizzes during the weeks in which they're offered will open by midnight on Wednesday, and they will close at midnight Friday. So you'll have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to take the quiz. And the combined weight of all the quizzes is 19%. Then we'll have 4 exams, which means that we'll have 3 midterms and 1 final. And each of those will be weighed 27% each after dropping the lowest score of the 4. So you'll take 4 exams and we'll drop the lowest score. And of the 3 that remain, they will be weighed 27% each for a total of 81%. For our academic honesty policy, please see the USC Honor Code at bit.ly/USC Honor Code. I will follow that honor code in this course. Any violations of the honor code will result in a referral to the Office of Academic Integrity, as well as a grade of 0 for the corresponding assignment in which the violation was committed. Any student with a documented disability can contact and should contact the Office of Student Disability Services at 777-6142 to arrange for any appropriate accommodations. And this syllabus is a guideline and is subject to change with reasonable notice. I'll also show you the Moodle site for the course. You can see that I've got the meeting times, location, a link to the textbook, picture of the textbook cover. Then there are some downloads. The syllabus and the Lecture 1 slides are available in PDF format for download. Important dates, cancellations, and the contact information for myself and my 2 teaching assistants, as well as Ryan Austin, our IT director. Any announcements will appear below Ryan's contact information there, as well as links to quizzes as they are assigned. I will also be posting additional downloads as the semester rolls on, notably lecture slides. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or see me after class, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you very much.